has been around for over 30 years. We specialize in radio control and automotive parts. Globally, we have a great history of producing OE and OES products. We have one of the largest manufacturers on radio control parts, strut mounts, motor mounts, and gaskets.
PRT has two distribution centers in the United States. One is located in Atlanta, Georgia. The other one is located in Rancho Cucamonga, California. 100% customer satisfaction is our goal. PRT always delivers the right products with the high quality, right quantity to the right place.
My name is Bruno Bello. I am Director of Marketing of PRT. We are here in this Aapex show 2022 to present you our new line, the Air Shocks. We also have complete strut assemblies, heavy duty line, mounting products, and also strut assemblies. So our companies focus on producing shock absorbers, struts, complete struts, and we export in more than 135 countries worldwide. Our factory is very modern, as you can see here. So we also have, for your car. Our company have a social media campaign which is called PRT My Car. You just put hashtag PRT My Car and you find what we have available for your car. So thank you so much.
For a quick, easy, and safe, complete strut job, choose PRT, which will save you time and money on the job. Ride technology is in our name. PRT, Performance Ride Technology. All of our complete struts carry a premium strut, coil spring, upper and lower isolators. We have the industry-leading technology with over 1,400 part numbers. We feature a hardened chrome piston, high-performance all-weather hydraulic fluid, nitrogen gas charge, and multi-stage valving, which will give you a application-tuned ride. For a quick, easy, and safe, complete strut repair, choose PRT.
Hi, I'm Tyler Begley, Director of Engineering with PRT. PRT heavy-duty shocks were launched in 2021 with an extensive range of products, and since then have grown into a complete line of fully gas-charged shocks for coverage of nearly every heavy and medium-duty vehicle on the road today. Our coverage includes truck and trailer, school bus and transit bus, cement mixer, and other vocational vehicles, and our applications fit all positions such as front and rear axle, cab shocks, and even stabilizers for steerable lift axles. We've also added medium-duty applications for fleets of final mile and class 3 to 6 vehicles. We listen to customer feedback and gain valuable insights that have enabled us to satisfy market demand and improve our product offerings. Our shocks include the best technology to save customers more money by reducing maintenance and downtime.
PRT Air Shock and S-Spring are designed for each application, meeting or existing the OE standards by using premium components. Our products are application engineered and tuned for your car.
Los amortiguadores y struts PRT están diseñados para brindar una excelente performance y durabilidad. Somos proveedores con más de 30 años de experiencia para equipo original, contando con una gran cobertura de productos. Tenemos soportes de motor, bases de amortiguador y resortes, siendo así un proveedor multilínea con capacidades para cubrir sus necesidades.
Mi nombre es Ronald Rivera, represento la compañía ADD y la marca PRT en los mercados de Centroamérica y el Caribe. He mantenido esta relación con esta empresa por aproximadamente 3 años. Ha sido una relación sumamente fructífera y exitosa para ambas partes. El producto PRT, los amortiguadores PRT, mantienen una relación entre calidad y precio absolutamente exitosa y favorable para nuestros distribuidores y el consumidor final. La calidad, la presentación, la seriedad con que la compañía asume su relación con los distribuidores en estos mercados es de primerísima calidad y profesionalismo. Creemos que vamos a seguir creciendo y subiendo nuestra participación de mercado hasta llegar a ser uno de los 3 principales líderes en los mercados del mundo, partiendo de nuestra experiencia en Centroamérica, el Caribe y algunos países de Sudamérica. Muchas gracias.
Hi, I'm Carlos Stretger from Super Repuestos in Central America. We've been distributing PRT for over 2 years now, and ever since we introduced the complete strut assemblies, business has been really good. Our market has accepted the product, the quality is awesome, and I obviously recommend it for you to try it.
Ride technology is in our